Hello everyone, Archana here. Today is the day, this March Madness YouTube hop. First of all, I would like to thank Debbie and Kimmy, who are the hostess of this March Madness YouTube hop. And there are 17 ladies and super talented crafters are here in this hop, and you can check hop line below in the description box, and please hop on each and every channel and comment and subscribe and hit that bell icon. Since there are two major events in March, St. Patrick's Day and Mardi Gras, the theme is use gold and green. So we all are going to use these colors somewhere. They are not very main colors, but you have to have green and gold somewhere. So I was wondering, I was following the theme Mardi Gras and I have created a mask initially, but it didn't work out well. So I came up with this mixed media canvas, and I hope you will like this mixed media try. So you can see I have used gold, of course. So this is a golden background, gold color. I have used Prima's paint and a lot of Prima stuff here, and these elements which are Prima's this mold. So I have used couple of these, this one and the other one, this one, and I have used my magic mold to make these. And I created basically a mask before that, so I took that mask apart and used those pieces here and there. You can see right here, and they look stunning. I love them. And I have used Fina Bear's that patina set, which comes in 3 colors, blue, green and this copper color, and I love those 3 colors. And for the other part I have used this Prima's paint, which is acrylic metallic paint, and these are Prima's embellishments. These are the ones. There is one piece, then this word and this clock. They are very rusty looking, vintage looking plastic pieces, and they look pretty on here. And also I have used this frame, which is I got it from Hobby Lobby, and then some of the Wilder Kid craft flowers here, and I have used some of the leaves cutouts, die cuttings here and there, and some stickers, lots of sequins, and there is this chipboard from, I think, Creative Embellishments. And I have used Heartfelt Creations pockets and borders die. I love those dies. So I have here in a gold, and one is right here, and that is it. And this is very nice quality canvas. It's really good and sturdy, and it's not so big. It's, I think, 12 by 5 or 12 by 4 canvas, and I like long and tall canvas, so I thought I will use that. And also I forgot to mention, I have used this background paper, which is Prima's Moon Child collection. I have used that small journaling paper, and I guess that is it. So this is my project for this YouTube hop, and hope you liked it. And for the hop rules, or to win the prizes, each and every channel has some prizes. So you have to have a subscribers, you have to comment, you have to like the button. If you want, you can share if you like the project, and you should be a subscriber for all of us 17 ladies. So you have to be subscriber and you have to comment. So these are the 2 main rules where we will go ahead and pick our winner. So we will check, you are all of our subscriber, and we'll check if you comment it or not. And I have a sponsor. Crafticity is sponsoring for my hop. So Crafticity is giving away 2 gift cards or gift vouchers. One is for international and one is for USA only. So $15 each, international and USA. So please check it out, crafticity.com, for your wonderful supplies for your craft needs. And have a happy hopping. And if you are new here, welcome, and thank you so much again for being here for me. Bye.